Do you want to know how you can log into your My HR Plus payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your My HR Plus payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for My HR Plus payroll login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of My HR Plus. You can see that this is the official website. Now to log into your account, go ahead and click Self-Service, which is here on the top right hand side. As you click on it, it will lead you to the official login portal of My HR Plus, which is presented to you by Government of Jamaica. Now what you need to do is write down your username. Go ahead and write down your username in the first box. After you write down your username, go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure to check your password once before hitting enter. You can click on this eye icon and then check your password. Once you have written down your username and password, click enter and then you can successfully log into your My HR Plus payroll account. If you don't have an account yet and want to create one, this is the link for you to click. And if you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, click on this link and it will lead you to this page, which is the password reset portal. Go ahead and write down your email address in this box and write down the captcha, which is over here, and click reset. A mail will be sent to you by My HR Plus. Go ahead and click on that mail and you can see the reset link. Click on that reset link and you can reset your password and log into your account once again. I hope this video about how you can log into My HR Plus payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.